Now that you know what a mirror is and how reflection files work, it's time to decide how you want to design your mirror moving forward. There are two main routes. Both begin in ChatGPT, but they diverge depending on whether you want to keep things simple or create a more polished tool. The first option is to simply keep your mirror inside ChatGPT. You design your mirror there, you run your mirror there, and ChatGPT is instructed to generate the reflection file for you at the end through a series of specific prompts that I will provide for you. Everything happens right in ChatGPT. This is the fastest way to start, and it works well if your focus is personal self-reflection, especially if you are already using ChatGPT as a sort of live journal companion. The second option is to build your mirror in Framer. In Framer, your mirror becomes an app-style tool. You can customize the design, add inputs and styling, and connect it to a code component that we call a compiler that automatically generates the reflection file for you to download. This path is especially useful for coaches and entrepreneurs who want to create mirrors for their clients or business. You'll create a tool that feels polished, professional, and branded. It is important to note here that you are not thrown to the wolves when it comes to Framer. I will walk you through exactly how to use the platform and how to do something we call vibe coding to create the components that turn your mirror into a cohesive experience. Both options are valid. The value of having two paths is flexibility. If your focus is self-reflection, ChatGPT on its own already gives you everything you need. If you're planning to integrate mirrors into client sessions, coaching programs, or business systems, Framer makes sense as the next step. The skills transfer between the two paths. Everything you create in ChatGPT can later be expanded into Framer. And everything you build in Framer starts with the same mirror logic you create in ChatGPT. You can begin simple and decide later if you want an extra layer of fun customization. Pause here and consider your own goals. Are you taking this course primarily for yourself, to experiment and reflect? The ChatGPT only path may be the right fit right now. If you're here to build something for clients or integrate mirrors into your business, Framer will give your work the presentation and functionality that you need. Neither path locks you in permanently. You have access to this course forever. This is just about choosing how you want to continue right now through the modules ahead. Write down your decision now. Will you continue in ChatGPT only, or will you take the additional step of building out in Framer? This choice will guide how you approach the next few modules, and you will always have the option to adjust later.